Jeff Cavins on behalf of the Catechetical Institute, which is an offering of the St. Paul Seminary. Well, the days that we're living in right now are very unique. People oftentimes will say, this is not the country I grew up in, and they're wondering about who to trust and what their future looks like. I want to introduce you to an opportunity, a 2-year opportunity to go through the entire Catechism. Thousands have done it in the Archdiocese before, and we want to offer it to you starting this fall. Every class has the name of a saint, and this year it's going to be called the class of St. Michael the Archangel. And as you know, we are in a battle right now in our culture, our families, at work, our economy, you name it, there's a battle going on, and we want to help equip you. The scripture says, if the foundations be destroyed, what will the righteous do? And that's a good question. And I would submit to you that the answer is that we live the life of Christ. But the problem is we're living in an age of radical individualism. And that radical individualism shifts truth and life in the way that we're moving. And it comes down to the individual saying, I am the life, I am the way, I am the truth. And we know that that truth and that way and that life is all bound up in one person. That's Jesus Christ, who said, I am the way and the truth and the life. And that's what we're going to be learning about. We're going to take 11 weeks to go through each of the 4 pillars of the Catechism, and by the end, you're going to have a very good understanding of all that we teach, all that we believe, all that we live as Catholics. I've talked to many people who have graduated. It has changed their life, and I can't think of anything that is more timely right now in your life than to really buckle down and learn your faith. And so we're going to be at Epiphany in Coon Rapids. That's going to be where we're teaching live with multiple teachers and instructors from around the Archdiocese. And we have many satellite parishes around the Archdiocese as well as the Diocese of St. Cloud. And so I really encourage you to pray about this and to invite your friends. A lot of people are saying, what do we do now? How do we live our lives? Well, we've got to be prepared. And I'll tell you what, if you're going to go into battle, I can't think of anybody better to go into battle with than St. Michael the Archangel. So join us and go to cistudent.com for all the information on how to sign up, and you can share that with a friend as well. That's going to be taking place this fall, September, here in the Archdiocese of St. Paul, Minneapolis. God bless you. Look forward to seeing you.